Welcome to the DCC Museum.
Hi and welcome back at the museum. This video is about the DCC730 and 951, the third generation Philips DCC players, after we covered all of the first and second generation on how to replace the belts. This is the last one of its sort where we show you how to replace all the belts on either a DCC730 or 951. To open the top cover, remove 2 screws on each side and 2 on the back. Manually open the tray by rotating the wheel on the left to remove the tray cover. Remove 1 screw on each side to remove the mechanism. Disconnect the cables on the back of the mechanism before removing. Two belts need replacing, the tray belt on the side and the capstan belt on the bottom of the mechanism. Remove 2 cables on the bottom of the mechanism. Next you can remove the 2 screws holding the metal plate. The screws are different in size. It always helps to take a picture before removing any capstan belt. Now we can start putting everything back together. Make sure that the brown cable next to the screwdriver is not hitting the belt. Everything working for hopefully many years to come. If you want to service the pinch rollers as well, we will share the link of this video also. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.